All right, now it is time for the list to be explained. Okay, now the list actually is a sequence of objects. So if I type list1, for example, which means list1, and then you open a squared bracket, okay, like this, and put the value you want. So 1, 2, 3, okay, another list. So let's put list2, okay, and here inside squared brackets, let's put strings. So A, B, and C as well. Okay, now let's put another third list, yeah, like these, and let's put this time something cocktail. Let's say it's collection of integers of let's put another values. Actually, let's put 10. Let's put here high, and here let's put false, and then let's put for example, let's put 1.5. Okay, so it is something like that. All right, now here actually we can print everything we want, depends on whatever we want. So if I want to print for list3, for example, and I will open the brackets and put the indexes, and indexes start from here. So this is 0, and this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, so I put list3 for 0, so this will print 10. If I put 1, this will print high, 2, 3, and so on. But if I put 4, as you can see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is not here. So if I put 4 for here, for list 3, and I return here, and let's clear the screen first. Yeah, and here if I put, you can see that it is, the index is out of range because 4 is not existed. Sorry about this. Let's return here. Yeah, you can see that 4 is not existed actually, only the index 3. Okay, so if I type 3, or let's put 2 here, and if I print it, so yeah, it is false this time, which means the second, or the third, I mean the third fault, the third object from this list 3, 0, 1, 2, which is the third, and everything as expected. Yeah, actually one thing I forget to mention is that we can, as we learned previously, actually I already mentioned that. So list 3, I want to print false and I want to print high. For example, how to do that? Actually, it's very simple. 0, 1. So I will start from 1, put the colon, and minus 1. So I want it to false. So 0, 1, 2. So I don't need to put 2 here. I will put 3 because I need, so 3 minus 1 will be 2. Okay, so 0, 1, 2. So it will print high and false as well as a list actually. So if I click here and test it out, you can see that it is this time as a list, and you can see that it is high and false as well. So you can see that it is very elastic, and you can do a lot of lists actually. So for example, you are putting a shopping cart, for example, putting specific values and so on. Okay, thanks for watching.